Hello children. Children, we have discussed many chapters till today, but today we are going to revise lesson number 1, physical features of India. Important points we are going to discuss of this chapter, and then I'll ask questions over it. Children, India is the 7th largest country in the world and 2nd largest population in the world. 7th largest country in the world and 2nd largest population we have in the world, and that is the population of India is 125 crores. I think children, now population crosses 125 crores exactly. It forms a large part of Asian continent, and that is why this India forms a large part, a major part of Asian continents. Mountains and seas, they separate it from rest of Asia. Clear? If children, we see the map, then we come to know that it is bounded from 3 sides with 3 water bodies. Okay? India is bounded by 3 water bodies, and that is why it is known as peninsula. From east, towards east, it is covered with Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Towards west, it is covered with Lakshadweep Islands, and towards south, it is covered with Indian Ocean. So in this way, it is covered from 3 sides by water bodies. And this also that Indian Ocean is named after our country's name. Okay. Now children, India has several countries as her neighbor, and they are known as the neighboring countries. Now many neighboring countries we have like China, Nepal and Bhutan to her north, Bangladesh and Myanmar towards east, and Pakistan and Afghanistan towards its west. Clear? And towards south we have Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now children, we can see through map also, see China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar. Clear? And here we have Sri Lanka. Clear children? So we have many neighboring countries, and that is we have discussed. Now see once again, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. If we see children, our Indian map, we come to know that our Indian map starts from here, then it becomes thickest in the middle, सबसे ज़्यादा चौड़ाई middle में होती है, and then it becomes thinner. Isn't it children? So it is triangular in shape. The shape of the map is triangular. It has children 2 groups of islands, as you see, Andaman and Nicobar Islands towards Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep Islands towards Arabian Sea. Clear? And children, now we have at present 28 states and 8 union territories. Clear? And children, as you people know that the surface of India varies from one place to another. Like if we move from plain areas towards Nainital and all, we can see mountain areas. In the same way, we can see plateaus also in our country, large plains, desert, lakes, rivers, etc. Different landforms. Somewhere we have high mountains, some we have plateaus, somewhere we have plains as we are on plain area. Somewhere we have deserts, like if we move towards Rajasthan, then we have lakes also, rivers also, and these are known as the physical features because these things we can see from our eyes. Like children, we have physical features like eyes, nose, ears. These things we can see from outside. So these are our physical features. In the same way, in our country, we can see mountains, plateau, plains, desert, and that is why this is India's physical features. The climate of the country also varies from region to region. As we move from one place to another, along with physical features, the climate also varies. Somewhere we have hot climate and somewhere we have very cold. So the area of land which is similar in features, climate, natural vegetation and general way of life is called physical division. Physical divisions are on in which some features are similar, climate is same, natural vegetation is same, and general way of life means people they live in the same way. Their costumes are same. So they are known as the physical divisions. According to the physical divisions of India, we have 5 physical divisions. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateaus and the coastal plains. Now we can understand this with the help of a map. Now see children, this diagram I gave you. If you remember, it is there in your lesson number 1. See, I have drawn all the physical divisions in this map. It is very helpful for you all. See, first of all, the physical division is the northern mountains, the northern plains, Indian desert, the southern plateaus and the coastal plains. These are 5 physical divisions of India. Starting from up, we have the northern mountains, then the northern plains, then here is Indian desert, the southern plateaus and the coastal plains. Now we can see the neighboring countries of India also through map. Now see children, this also we have drawn earlier. I gave you to draw in your copies, as you have to prepare this for exams also, and it will be helpful to understand it. Now see children, this is the political map of your physical map of India, physical outline map of India. It is also political map of India. See how they have marked the neighboring countries. Nepal, then outside China. This green is Bhutan. This is Bangladesh. Yellow is Myanmar. Here it is Pakistan. This is Afghanistan. And down here it is Sri Lanka. These are the neighboring countries of India. Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Clear? Now last we'll see the picture of a globe. And this also you have drawn in lesson number 1. It will be helpful for you. Children, this is the center line. It is known as the equator. Clear? The standing line that passes through the center, it is known as prime meridian. It is also at 0 degree. And equator is also at 0 degree. This is sleeping line. This is standing line. Clear? Now children, these sleeping lines, they are known as line of latitude. Standing lines, they are known as Tropic of Cancer. Clear? Yes, this C, line of longitude. Sleeping line of latitude. Clear? Then above equator, the line that is known as Tropic of Cancer. And below equator, the line is known as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn is at 23.5 degrees south and Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degree north. Clear? Everything is clear? Up it is North Pole, down it is South Pole. I think you all have understood it, children. This is a summary of your chapter. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you, children.